What's up, world? This is my unboxing of a Shure a Durometer tester. So I picked this up on Amazon. I want to say this might have run me roughly maybe $60. I'll tell you right now. This is the Longacre 50546 Durometer tester. It is a product that is made for car tires. It retails on Amazon at approximately $83. We're gonna jump right into it and give this puppy a test. Again, if you knew better, you do better. You know better, you stack more cheddar. You dig? Let's get this glove on. Important information on there. We will chuck that now. Let's get this back up here. More paper waste. So as you can see, we need the knife again. Comes with a hard carrying case to protect your tool. Warning. So this is an analog durometer. I've done my research and determined that analog is typically the best way. A lot of these digital things can malfunction, and they often require batteries. Clearly made in China. Let's see what we've got here. It's a nice little case with a cheap sticker on it. Ooh, no padding on the inside. This is just for looks, not a single padding. So what you've got here is a small instruction manual. Check your tires in several places, yada, 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 yada. It does make sense to properly read your instructions. You should always read your instructions before use on any product. Shure A, this is your durometer test block. So that right out of the gate, as you can see, this is a flexible material, right? Let's take a look at this case quickly. A little pouch for your device, because you really don't want to damage the pin that is your tester. Do not drop the unit. Keep it clean and dry. Check the accuracy of your durometer. Use the rubber test block included. The hardness is shown on the card. So if they're saying that this hardness is 66, the way this is designed to work, temperature is important. So if they are at 66, 68 degrees, I know I'm right next to a radiator in the winter in New York, and it is pumping right now. So I'm sure that I am in a room that is at least 70 degrees. So keep that in mind with this testing. But the goal is that once you flatten that, that should get up to 66. And right now you can see we are at 55, 56. But I do believe I need to zero this out, or not. Yeah, let's zero this out. If that's zero, let's zero this out first. Okay, there we get a more accurate reading on first try, and this should be used vertically. So what I will do is hold it this way so you guys can see. And for the purpose of this review, I will do a quick test on the Tim Franken wheel that is listed at 90A hardness. So let's see if we can get this up to par. Well, what do you know? Without much effort, you can see that this gets up to 80 quickly. I think I'm gonna need to try it on a different spot, and I might have to film this a bit differently as my camera is mounted to give you guys a true reading here. But yeah, this seems to come in a little under 90. As you can see, this item here, the anti-rocker, gets up to almost 100 with one pressed. Well, this again is just an unboxing and a quick overview review. We will do more in-depth product testing and reviews as time goes on. You can check us out as we develop our website and our Instagram accounts. New Wave Skate Shop on Instagram and newwaveskate.com. Thank you, and as always, stay safe.